Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a new Rainbow Friends surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Rainbow Friends surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper, line up the corners, and give it a nice fold down the middle. This way it's kind of like a greeting card. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, line up the corners, and now it's kind of like a bookmark. When I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And then I always like turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the surprise. Now to start off with this, I'm going to be drawing the Rainbow Friends Cyan in here. So let's start with the eyes. So right here, I'm going to draw a nice big circle shape right here. I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another nice big circle shape right here. Now inside of here, I'm going to make a long skinny oval for the pupil. And I'll do the same thing over here, just another long skinny oval. I'm going to put a circle at the top for each one, and I'm going to color in the rest of it. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line to connect the eyes. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. I'm going to curve it down here. Then same thing here. I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to curve it down. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come across to here. And then I'm going to continue it all the way up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw this line down, and I'm going to kind of curve it just a little bit. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to come down, curve it just a little bit. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, kind of for the back of Cyan. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. It's going to go over and then back up. Really, really big. Now the next step is I'm going to open this up and draw the inside. Now once I open this up, I have two halves of Cyan. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down here and down here. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come up a little bit, and then it's going to come up a little bit here. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a nice, big, long, smiley face shape. And then I'm going to draw a little line that comes down. Now, I'm going to kind of line this up. I'm not going to draw this line yet, and I'm just going to make a nice, big, smiley face shape here. And the reason I haven't drawn anything or connected these yet is because I'm going to fill this with some more Rainbow Friends characters. But before we do that, I want to add some teeth here into Cyan. So I'm going to make some long, kind of big, pointed, sharp teeth. So I'm just going to make these kind of like V shapes right here. And I'm going to make these go all the way across. And now I'm going to do the same thing here. Just some nice, big, pointed shapes right across here. Some big triangle shapes. Now, inside of here, I'm going to go ahead and start drawing some of the other little Rainbow Friends. So I think right in the front here, I'm going to start with gray. So I'm going to begin by making a circle shape like this. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes out, and it's going to curve around. And I'll do one more here. I'm going to curve out and come around. Then I'll make a smiley face shape to connect the circle. I'll draw 2 diagonal lines. And then I'll make 2 curved lines on each side with 2 more lines here. I'll put a black dot inside each one for the pupils. Then I'll do a sad face for the mouth with a little line across. And then I'll do 2 little fangs in there. Now I'm going to draw 2 lines that come down here. And then I'm going to make a line that comes up. And I'm going to put 2 little fingers there. Same thing here, up, and I'm going to put 2 little fingers. Then I'll draw a line that comes out and back up. We're going to draw out and back up. And then we're just going to continue this down. Now, over here, I'm going to draw the Rainbow Friends brown. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a circle for the eye. And then I'm going to make a bigger circle with a small one inside of there for the pupil. And I'm going to color this in. Now right here, I'm going to make a big bump here and a big bump here. I'm going to make another bump here, one over here, one here, and then one over here. Then I'm going to connect each one of these with a little curved line. And then I'm going to make 2 lines that come down here for the body, or for the neck. And I'll make a line here for the arm with a line down, and a line here for the arm with a line down. Now, over here, I want to make Rainbow Friends black. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a little bump like this. And then inside of here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, down, and in. And then I'm going to make a nice big smile. Draw a little curved line for the tongue, and then I'm going to make some sharp teeth across here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out on each side, and a big smiley face shape right here. I'm going to make 2 check marks here for the eyebrows. And then I'm going to make a big curved line for the eyes. And I'll do a little pupil in there. I'm going to curve up each side. I'm going to make another curve across the top, with a little bump on each side for the horns. Then I'll make a little line here for a horn, and then a little one here. I'll draw a line out and in, and a line out and in. We'll draw 2 lines down, and then 2 more lines down. Now, up here I want to draw Rainbow Friends white. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up and down. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up here, and a line that's going to come down and then up here. I'm going to make a couple like half oval shapes, and then 2 lines down. And then the same thing up here. I'm going to make 3 half oval shapes. And then another one that's just going to go down and up. Then I'm going to bring these lines down and back. And then same thing, I'm just going to bring this one down. Next, I'm going to draw a circle inside each one. This one you won't see much of it. And then I'm going to draw another circle inside there with a little one. Then I'm going to color in most of this black for the pupils. So I'm going to color most of this in black and then just leave a little bit for the pupil. Now, that's about all the characters we can fit in here, but what I want to do is I want to connect the mouth now of Cyan. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to bring this down. And we're going to connect it to here. Same thing here. I'm going to bring this down, and we're just going to connect it to here. And then we're just going to connect this one out to here. And we're going to connect this one out to here. And there you go, there is your Rainbow Friends surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, we have Cyan looking there all innocent. And then once you open it up, you can see that he's got several of his Rainbow Friends inside of his mouth. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.